Hi there, this is D. Mallikarjun Rao, MSc B.Ed. I have started my career as a maths and science faculty for secondary schools in 1989, which is now around 30 years. In these 30 years, I worked for so many organizations which are the best organization when it comes to education. With all this 30 years of my experience, I have prepared a structured learning path for students of grade 8th, 9th and 10th classes. With the help of this path, a student can get the knowledge of the subject, understand the concepts and apply those knowledge and understanding in any given conditions or in any given situations. I have divided each and every chapter of maths, physics and chemistry into capsules. There are 4 modules in the capsule driven learning path. They are: first is videos, second is learning note, third is assignment and fourth is answers to those assignments. Now let us see how to get most out of this learning path. First thing first, subscribe my channel. It is absolutely free. The link is down below. And then you open the capsule 1 of your desired chapter. Watch the video till the end. After watching the video till the end, then you need to download the lecture notes using the links given below. After downloading the lecture notes, learn, practice and master in that. Then what you have to do is download the assignments using the links given below and follow the instruction. There are instructions given how to download the PDF files. After downloading the assignment file, now answer those assignment questions by your own. And after answering those questions, now let us move on to the last part of the capsule driven learning path, that is download the answer files using the descriptions given in the below. Next, after downloading the PDF file of the answers, if you want to get more clarities, then you can click on the videos. In the videos, answers for the assignment questions are explained more clearly. And these are the 4 stages. The first stage is open the capsule, listen the videos. Second is download the learning notes. Third stage is download the assignment questions. Fourth stage is download the answers and watch the answer videos. These are the main 4 stages you have to follow. After completing the 4 modules of a capsule driven learning path, you can move on to the next capsule and next capsule and so on. Continue the same drill until the chapter is completed. So if you want to get any more details, you can follow the links given below, and the links are scrolling my website, YouTube channel and mobile also scrolling down. You can get the information, more information using those links. Thank you, and this is Mallikarjun Rao. I am signing off.